Alright guys, right now I'm in Gansu province in China, and this province is, I mean, it's not Tibet, but it's very strongly influenced by the Tibetan culture, because you can see I'm wearing Tibetan clothes because it's very cold. We are over 3,500 meters, and yeah, the people in here are also talking Tibetan, and yeah, the temples, I don't know if you see it, are also like Tibetan temples. He's a Tibetan guy. Yeah, and the landscape is pretty amazing. It's very vast grasslands with lots of yak, lots of sheep. Yeah. Hi guys, now back from Tibet. I'm in Dali in Yunnan Province in the southwest of China, and yeah, I came here because Dali has one of the biggest old towns in whole China. So you see here, this is the entrance door of the old town, which is surrounded by a wall, but still all the surrounding buildings, even outside of the wall, are very yeah, old. And of course there's lots of food to taste. Alright guys, so now we are inside of the city walls, and yeah, this is what the houses look like. I mean, it's very touristy, lots of tourists, I mean only Chinese tourists, but yeah, you can see all those shops, but still people are also living in here. Very nice old buildings, very traditional. So alright guys, now we are in Dali Old Town, and we're just on a morning market where people are having breakfast, buying their lunch, the ingredients for the lunch, also some flowers. Yeah, and now we are just trying some food. So now from the street market we are entering like the open air market hall. So now we are in the meat section. People are just cutting up lots of meat. There's no fridge or something like this, but still, yeah, I think it's not very hygienic, but it's the way people are living in here, and they are still living, so it has to be good. Yeah, I can see here a whole or a half pork, and you can just hear the people cutting up the meat. So alright guys, now I'm in a Bai-Minority village near Dali. I was just invited by, I don't know what this is, maybe a big group of people living in this house, to first eat with them lunch. And now because they've slaughtered a cow in the morning, now they're cutting it up, and they invited me also for dinner, and I think they will cook it now. They will just boil it in water, and I don't know what else they will do with it. Oh yeah, and there's the brain. Yummy. So now we are at the same Bai house again. They invited me to come today. The boss. So the big boss. And yeah, so today is a Bai-Minority festival. It's called Bai-Minority. Yeah, and people from all over Yunnan are coming here and eating the whole day. So let's eat. So and here you can see preparation for dinner. Lots of fish they are cutting up, and yeah, I also think we will eat the meat that we cut up yesterday. Some edamame beans, so soybeans, And also here they are just steaming some minced meat with I don't know what. 你好. Yes, and here they are cutting up the meat from yesterday. 你好. 好吃.我知道. So really tender meat. 你好. 你好. Hello. Hello. 说 hello 啊. There's even more meat. And here they are plating it up. Everyone is already excited to eat. There are many people have come, and yeah, everyone is hard working. Woks are flaming hot. So now these are all the meals: steamed ground pork with egg, panjang roe, a soup with lots of innards, rice noodles, okra, I don't know what this is, beef, more beef, fish, lotus root and edamame. So, and you can see the place is just packed with locals. Yeah. And not only locals, but Bai-Minority people from all over Yunnan. And when the first are gone, the next are coming. And they still put out plate after plate, and everything is for free. So guys, this is my last video from China, and yeah, see you next time in Vietnam.